For most families in Missouri, their largest asset is their house. You might have a 401k, you might have life insurance policy, but those are really easy to deal with. You can get those to avoid probate by designating a beneficiary on them. You can't do that with your house, but Missouri has a cool little thing that lets you do it. So you can do what's called a beneficiary deed. They're very inexpensive. And what it is it's a deed. So when you buy a house, you get the deed to the house. You have a mortgage. So the mortgage records a deed of trust on top of the deed for your house. What you can do is you can record a beneficiary deed. And what that is that once you pass, if you die, that beneficiary deed has designations for who gets your house. So if you've got a house and you want to go ahead and transfer it to your kids, transfer it to your brother, sister, whatever you want to do, that's not my business. A beneficiary deed will allow that transfer to happen upon your passing. Now there's drawbacks with it. So if you, let's say, go ahead and your kids are young, you go ahead and record a beneficiary deed now to transfer the interest to your children and their minors. And let's say you and your husband are killed in a car crash, right? Which is kind of the most frequent thing that can happen. So in that instance, what would happen is if your kids are 2, 3, 4 years old when you unfortunately pass, guardians will be appointed, the courts will get involved, and they will sell your house, try to list it for fair market value, try to sell it for a reasonable amount of money, and the house will be sold with the beneficiary deed. And so when the house is sold, the money will be divided equally into pots. Your children will have to have somebody appointed to be a trustee for them. Under the Trustees for Minors Act, that trust will be administered for them until they turn 18. And then on their 18th birthday, they will get access to all that money. So a beneficiary deed will transfer your real estate outside of probate. If you have adult children, they don't have special needs, they don't have any issues, and you just want to give them an equal share in the house, a beneficiary deed is a wonderful way to do it. It avoids probate, and it doesn't cost hardly any money at all. So give me a call. Go to trustfully.law, set up a free consultation. We do everything on your terms, on your time, not ours. And let me know what you think.